Here it is. Come and get it. Here. Here. Come on. Come on, Zozo. Here. Come on. Look, Mommy's got another one. Come on. Atta girl. Atta girl. Yeah. Come here. You can do it. Zoe. There's the yogurt drop. Come on, Tinkerbell. You can do it. Come here. Come to Mama. Shoes. You want Mama's shoes? And a whole bag of yogurt drops. Come on. Come on. Come to Mama. We should take a time out from filming. Come on. Here she goes. Yay, Zoe! Yay! What a big girl you are. Is he crawling? Yeah, you can eat that one. Up here comes Sparkly to inspect. Here, Mama has another one. Come on, Zoe. Sparkly, no. Come on, Zoe. Come on. Sparkly, no. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Here, Zozo. Zozo, look. It's another one. Come on. Come on. Sparkly, it's not you. Sit. Here's Zoe. Yeah, that's a good girl. Come on, yeah. You can do it. You're doing it. Here it is. Look. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Here, look. Here's Mommy's shoes again. Here's the bag. Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. You just did it. Do it again. You can do it. Zoe, you're such a big girl. Such a big girl. Crawl to Mama. Crawl to Mama. Oh. Hi, Tinkerbell. Hi, come on. Crawl to Mama. Come get these yogurt drops. You just did it. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Ah, da, 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 da. Ah, da, da, da. Say, Mama. 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 Come here. Here. Come on. Oh, the spin move. We did a spin move. Yeah? What are you saying? What are you saying? Found your rattle. I found my rattle. You gonna crawl that way? Come on. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Distracted. Distracted by a rattle. Look how close you're getting with your spin moves, though. So. Hada. Yay! Oh, Tinkerbell. You're so confused. They forgot how I did that. I forgot how I did that, huh? Yeah. Maybe after a good night's sleep we can remember again. You sure are good at that spin move. See, I think my foot keeps getting caught. There you go. Come on. Here. Oh. Here you go. Look at that one. It's real close. Okay. Time for dinner. Say love you. Mwah. Say bye-bye.